Complement of a set. Complement of a set means is the set of all elements which do not belong to that set. That is, a complement means the elements in a complement are not in A. Definition: a complement is equal to set of all x's that x not belongs to A. A complement means elements not belongs to A. Here, Venn diagram represents a complement. Shaded portion, the elements in the shaded portion is not in A. So, a complement is nothing but elements not in A. Also, a complement represented in three ways. Properties of complement. First, A union A complement is the universal set. From this Venn diagram, it is clear that A union it's a complement, that is shaded portion union, unshaded portion is universal set. Also the intersection A intersection A complement, that is the shaded portion intersection the unshaded portion is null set, and the complement of the universal set is empty set, and the complement of the complement means set of all x's that x not an element in A complement, that is A, and the complement of the null set is U, universal set. Then last property, if A subset of B, then B complement is subset of A complement. We can check it by a Venn diagram. In this Venn diagram is the universal set, the set B, and the A contained in the set B. A complement is this portion, that is elements not belongs to A is A complement. Elements not belongs to A is A complement. And consider another Venn diagram, set B and set A. What is B complement? B complement is, the set B complement is this portion only. Elements not belong to the set B is this portion. So, here from these Venn diagrams, it is clear that B complement is a subset of A complement, because A complement has more portions than B complement. So, B complement is a subset of A complement if A is subset of B. Okay. Next we state the De Morgan's law. A union B complement equals A complement intersection B complement. That is, the complement of union is the intersection of its complement. Complement of union is the intersection of its complement. We can prove this result by using Venn diagram. Here A union B complement. We know that this portion is A union B. This unshaded portion is A union B. So the shaded portion is its complement, A union B complement. Next Venn diagram shows A complement. Portions excluding A, that is A complement. This shaded portion is A complement. And here it is B complement. Elements not in B. Elements not in B is B complement. So this shaded portion is B complement. Consider the intersection of these two figures. Consider the common portion of these two figures, A complement and B complement. That is A complement intersection B complement. Common portion of these two figures is A complement intersection B complement. From this diagrams, first and fourth diagram, clear that A union B complement equals A complement intersection B complement. Similarly, we can prove by Venn diagram A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. First diagram shows A intersection B. The shaded portion is A intersection B. Second Venn diagram shows its complement. The portions excluding this shaded portion. Here it is A intersection B complement. Then the third diagram shows A complement. The points not in A. Here it is B complement, points not in B. Then union, that is put together the shaded portions. We get A union B whole complement. That is only the portion excluded is A intersection B, the portion A intersection B. So A union B complement, that is this shaded portion. From these two figures, it is clear that A intersection, that is in the second figure and fifth figure, clear that A intersection B complement equals A complement. A intersection B complement is equal to, it is clear that A complement union B complement. Okay. Consider a problem. Universal set U is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And the set A is equal to set A, B, C. Then A complement equals points not in A. So A, B, C are the elements of A. Then A complement is not A, B, C. It is D, E, F, G, H. Set D, E, F, G, H. Next step, B is equal to D, E, F, G. So B complement is equal to the elements not in B but in universal set, that is equal to A, B, C, H. C complement equals elements not in A, that is set B, D, F, H. And the D complement equals set A is in D, so B, C, D, E. That is D complement. Next we define difference of two sets. Difference of two sets A and B is the set of all elements which belong to A but not in B. Set of all elements which belong to A but not in B. From the definition, A difference B is equal to set of all elements, set of all X is that X belongs to A but X not belongs to B. From this Venn diagram, the first shaded portion is A difference B. That is the elements in A but not in B. Exclude the portion of B, we get this first shaded portion, that is A difference B. Similarly, B difference A is the set of all elements in B but not in A. Exclude the portion of A. So, exclude the portion of A, we get the second shaded portion, B difference A. Okay, that means B difference A is the set of all elements in B but not in A. Also, this middle portion is A intersection B. From this figure, we can clear that these two sets, that is A difference B and the A intersection B, have no common points. Similarly, A intersection B and the B difference A have no common points. So, A difference B, the first shaded portion, and the A intersection B, this middle portion, and B difference A, the second shaded portion, are disjoint. That means they have no common portion. Okay. Also, the union of these three portions equals the whole A union B. So, here note that A difference B, B difference A intersection B are always disjoint. Also, A union B is equal to A difference B union A intersection B union B difference A. Now discuss some examples. A is equal to set A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and B is equal to A, E, I, O, U. A difference B, elements in A but not in B. So A difference B is equal to A is in A but it is also in B. So that element A is not belongs to A difference B. Next B, B is in A but not in B. So B here. C, C is in A but not in B. D, D in A but not in B. E is an element in A but it is also an element in B. So we E not in A, my A difference B. Okay, F, G, H are also in A difference B because E, F, G, H are in A but not in B. Similarly, we can find B difference A, the elements of B but not in A. A is in B, also it is in A, so not in B difference A. E is in B, also in A, so E is not in B difference A. I, O, U are in B but not in A, therefore these elements are in B difference A. It is clear that A difference B not equal to B difference A. Next problem, let A is equal to set 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and B is equal to 5, 9, 13, 17, 21. Okay, then A difference B is equal to elements in A but not in B, that is 1, 3, 7, 11 and 15. Similarly, B difference A is equal to set elements in B but not in A, that is 5 and 9 are in A, 13 is in A, then only 17 and 21 are in B difference A. Okay, consider another problem. A is equal to set ABC. A is equal to set ABC and B is equal to set BCD. B is equal to set BCD and C is equal to set DEFG. Then A difference C. What is A difference C? Element in A but not in C. That is A, B, C. Here A difference C is A itself. Here A difference C is A itself. That means A and C have no common portion. A and C have no common portion, or A intersection C equals null set. If A intersection C is equal to null set, then A difference C is equal to A itself. A difference C is equal to A itself. Also C difference A is equal to C itself. Elements in A but not in C. Elements in C but not in A. A and C have no common portion, then A difference C is equal to A and C difference A is equal to C. And also check C difference B. C difference B. C difference B is equal to set of all elements in C but not in B. So set E, F, G. D is in B. So elements E, F, G. Next A difference B difference C. A difference B difference C. A is set A, B, C. Difference B difference C is elements in B but not in C is C, D. So A, B, C difference C, D is set A, B. Okay. Consider another problem. That is set A is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And B is equal to set 3, 5, 7. And C is equal to set 2, 4, 6. Then B union C. B union C is equal to set 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And A difference B union C. That is elements in A but not in B union C. Elements in A but not in B union C. 1 is an element in A but not in B union C. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are elements in A but also in B union C. Then 8, 9 is in A but not in B union C. So A difference B union C is equal to set 1, 8, 9. And consider A difference B. A difference B elements in A but not in B. That is 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. That is A difference B. Also check A difference C. A difference C elements in A but not in C. That is 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. Then A difference B intersection A difference C. A difference B intersection A difference C is common to both A difference B and A difference C equals set 1, 1, 8, 9. From 1 and 2, it is clear that A difference B union C equals A difference B intersection A difference C. Okay. We also check some properties of difference. First one is A union B equals A difference B union B. From this Venn diagram, A union B is the shaded portion and A difference B is the portions in A, not in B. And under set B, B is this shaded portion. The union of set Venn diagram 2 and 3. Union of Venn diagram 2 and 3. From the figure, it is clear that it is A union B. So A union B is A difference B union B. That is A difference B is this shaded portion, and union with this portion we get A union B. Similarly, A intersection B difference A. A intersection B difference A. We know that B difference A is the portion in the set A, B. This is B difference A. B difference A intersection with the A. That is, this is the set A. These two sets have no common portion. Therefore, this intersection is null set. And the next one is A difference B equals A intersection B. Consider the Venn diagram. Here it is A difference B. This is A and this set is B. A difference B. And A difference B. That is elements in A. Here, this is the set A. Elements in A but not in A difference B. That is A intersection B. Okay. Next, A difference B union C equals A difference B intersection A difference B. Okay. And A difference B intersection C is equal to A difference B union A difference B. You have to check these 4 and 5 with the Venn diagrams. Okay.